today with me I have Paul Lang. How are you?
Well, thank you.
Good. So tell us a little bit about yourself, your name, your title, and the department that you work for.
Well, my name is Paul Lang. I'm recently of Show Low, but a native of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And I joined Summit as its laboratory manager. So I work in the main hospital laboratory under the directorship of Sherry Copeland and Dr. Suzanne Cook.
Okay, cool. So what kind of things happen in the laboratory?
So we are, I guess, your neighborhood laboratory. We're the testing hub for SHOLO. We perform the majority of inpatient testing for people admitted, people having surgery. We perform a large portion of the outpatient testing. So when clinicians order wellness panels, for example, we perform those. And we also serve as a logistical hub for specimen send out, including tests that we don't perform in-house and also pathologies, because we do have an on-site pathologist twice a week. Okay,
cool. So, and what's exactly a pathologist for people?
A pathologist is a medical doctor who is trained specifically in sort of laboratory-centric types of procedures. They are those who do bone marrow analyses, for example, or those that make determinations based on the results of core biopsies, for example. Ultimately, they will render diagnoses such as cancerous or not cancerous.
Oh, okay. Now, when you say the lab does these things, are you the ones actually taking the tests and doing those things as well, or do you just handle the processing of the tests?
Well, in terms of sort of routine testing, we have a large team of laboratory assistants and also outpatient phlebotomists and inpatient phlebotomists. So we do collect a lot of the specimens, bring them back to the laboratory, and perform the tests in-house.
Okay. On that note, where is the lab located, or are you not centric?
The main hospital laboratory is located within the atrium of the hospital building. You walk in through the sliding doors, turn left, take your first right, 1 or 2 hallways down, turn left into the atrium, and walk through, and then you'll see us on the left.
Okay, and for those who are, because some of us been around before the new buildings were built, realize that that's in the older building or the original building, or however you want to view it, has the atrium. The newer building, that isn't part of that. So you're in the original sort of entryway.
Correct, but we also have an outpatient draw center on the first floor of the outpatient pavilion. When you walk through the sliding doors, the hallway that takes you to the lab is on the left.
Okay.
And you'll see a sign that points you in that direction.
Cool. Do you have any other locations, or is that it?
There are other locations associated with clinics that I'm not a part of. There's one in Snowflake, for example, but sort of collectively they are all sort of Summit Laboratory.
Okay. If I want to come down and get something done, do I need an appointment for the lab?
You do not.
Oh.
The outpatient pavilion operates from 7:30 to 4, and the main hospital laboratory operates. So we're open 24/7, but we have people actively doing draws between 7 and 4:30.
Oh, okay. So always working.
Correct.
January's blood donor month. I got told that. So can you tell us a little bit about being a blood donor and what does that mean for patients?
So being a blood donor is the quickest way to save a life and perform a truly altruistic thing, given just an hour of your time and a needle stick. When you donate blood, it represents a living donation that can be split into 4 components. You have cells, you have plasma, you have cryoprecipitate, and you have platelets. So each of those components go directly towards saving lives, especially in an area like this.
Very cool. Awesome. Anything else you'd like to say about the services you offer yourself or Summit Healthcare?
Summit's laboratory is very, very proud and dedicated to serving the White Mountain community, and it's our pleasure to perform these tests and serve the community.
Hey, that's going to be it for this Summit Healthcare's. I'm Birdman reminding you, be healthy, wash your hands, wear a mask, and be good.